Are you looking for the best pallet wraps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pallet wraps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Stretch Wrap by Package Zoom. The pallet wrap is ideal for wrapping different types of items, and it is resistant to tear. This is exceptionally strong and has high puncture resistance. Additionally, it delivers high performance and can be suitable for uneven loads. Moreover, this is available in a set of 4 rolls where each roll has a length of 1500 feet. It makes sure there will be efficient performance as this comes with pre-stretch wrap. Furthermore, it comes in a featherweight design and is free from any kind of residue. This is also self-adhering and comes in a non-transparent design. It is in the form of a premium stretch film and has greater cling strength. At number 4, Package Zoom Stretch Wrap. This one has a width of 20 inches, and it comes in a set of 4. The pallet wrap comes in a clear design and has extended cardboard core for user advantage. Moreover, this helps to protect products and ensure there will be better storage. Furthermore, this can protect during transit and can secure the loads so that there can be safer loading. This is also very easy to use and ensure there will be incredible flexibility. Additionally, it is exceptionally strong and lets you have a smooth wrapping experience. The product comes in the ultra-lightweight design and is very durable. At number 3, Pak Pallet Wrapper. If you are looking for a pallet wrap that lets you have a hassle-free operation, then this can be the right one for you. This comes with a dispenser and lets you have an easy operation. Moreover, it lets you save time, and you don't have to worry about your hands from getting chewed up. Additionally, this comes in a lightweight design, and you can even use it for commercial applications. This is a highly reliable product and comes in adjustable design. Furthermore, the product comes with an ergonomic handle with an adjustable tension setting top. This is also very strong and delivers secure performance. At number 2, Bonison Stretch Film Pallet Wrap. Composed of high-quality polypropylene, this one has a thickness of 80 gauges. The pallet wrap has a linear low density that can be ideal for heavy loads. Additionally, it lets you use it for a variety of applications and comes with advanced craftsmanship. Furthermore, this is very easy to use and is available in a length of 2000 feet. This will let you have excellent scanning clarity and is resistant to tears. Moreover, the product also has high puncture resistance and can be ideal for all types of stretch film machine. This can be perfect for wrapping different items including boxes, tools, furniture, firewood, and pallet. At number 1, Simply Cool Industrial Strength Stretch Wrap. This one comes in a strong design and lets you use it for a variety of applications. The pallet wrap has industrial strength and is exceptionally durable. Additionally, it has 20 microns shrink film and comes with a superior load retaining force. Moreover, it lets you have a hassle-free operation and can wrap anything quickly and securely. It is ideal for commercial applications and comes in a self-adhering design. Furthermore, this is perfect for commercial use and comes at an affordable value. The product also has high endurance and comes with a core of 2 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.